Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fun, sustainable, and cost-effective gardening activity, regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps. Let's get started. Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps has so many benefits. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and a great way to recycle food waste. First up, celery. Save the bottom 2 inches of your celery stalk and place it in a shallow bowl of water, cut side up. Change the water every couple of days. In about a week, you'll see new leaves and roots forming. Once well rooted, transplant it into soil. Next, potatoes. Cut a potato into pieces with at least 1 eye each. Let the pieces dry for a day or two to prevent rotting. Then plant the pieces in soil, eye side up. Carrot tops can regrow into greens. Save the top inch of your carrots and place them in a shallow dish of water, cut side down. Change the water every few days. In a few days, you'll see green sprouts. Other vegetables to regrow include green onions, garlic, and lettuce. Place the base in water and watch them regrow. Plant garlic cloves in soil and they will sprout. Place the lettuce base in water until roots and new leaves form. Then transplant into soil. Here are tips for success. Use fresh scraps, change water regularly, provide adequate light, and transplant well-rooted scraps into soil. Regrowing vegetables from kitchen scraps is a simple, rewarding, and sustainable way to enjoy fresh produce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!